conventional stupidity. Do you suffer from conventional stupidity? Do you know what it means? So let me tell you. Conventional stupidity means the following. People go and attend lectures, events, seminars, speaking to others, and they hear an idea, a thought, and they think, oh, I should always follow that. For example, all property managers are crooks, or always buy with an LLC, right? Or so many other things we run into in our lives, not just in real estate. I call it conventional stupidity because that means it's not necessarily always true or correct or relevant for you. It might have been correct and relevant for that situation or that person, but that doesn't mean you have to copy paste and do it yourself. So my question for you is, are you an original thinker, or do you suffer from conventional stupidity?